Hey guys, I want to go home, but I've decided to do one more drawing tutorial before I do. So I've decided to go with a nice easy one, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do drawing number 12. I reckon you guys could actually figure this one out quite easily. Again, you're only going to need circle line trim. You probably don't even need copy, you just need the polar array as well. But it's pretty simple from the looks of it. So let's have a quick look here. So if we're thinking about the polar array, we need to have a look at this. So obviously we're going to have a circle, and we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the exact same thing around a center, around the center point. So I think this one's going to be quite easy to do. That was drawing 10, so we'll open up ourselves a new drawing. Hang on, got to press escape after I've done my text. So I'm just going to draw a quick line, 100 mils. Okay, so I need to zoom in quite a bit. There we go. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is draw a line that is 40 mils. Now I'm going to polar array it. There's my objects. There's my, now I need to make sure I have an endpoint. And I'm going to go every 30 degrees here. So there's my center point, and I don't want 6, I want 12. Enter. There are my 12 lines. And if I have a look at this drawing here, you'd be amazed at how simple this one is. So that line there, that line is at a 90-degree angle to this line here, yeah? So from here to that point there, I know that that is directly vertical. And if that line's 90 degrees, then that line there is horizontal. So from this point here, all I need to do is draw a line horizontally across to there. How simple is this? So I draw a line from there to there. Then, let's explode this, all of it. Nice. I'm going to polar array this one. Probably a simpler way, but I know I'm going to get it right. Okay, looks to me like I've got some trimming to do. Also looks like I have a circle that needs to go there. And I'm just going to trim this thing up. Okay. How simple is that? It's incredibly simple. I'm having a look at that circle though. That circle, I know you can't see very well, but that circle itself is actually a series of dotted lines. So I'll show you something new. We're going to go into our layer properties in our property manager. So at the moment, everything we've been drawn has been drawn in the same layer. I'm going to open up my property layers, and I'm going to create a new layer. So if I have a look up here, I've got new layer frozen. I can delete a layer. I can set a layer as my current. See that tick there? It means that my current layer, which I've been doing all of my drawing with, that's my current layer. So when I go to draw, I will draw with that white continuous line. I want a new layer, and I'm going to make it, let's just call it, I'll call it dotted, why not? I'm going to change the color to a green color, and I'm going to change the type of line. So I'm going to go load, and I just need to choose one of these other types of lines, and I might go to hidden, that one there. okay. That can stay the same. Hang on, why is that? Oh, that one there. Okay, so now that's hidden. So now if I wish to, alright, so I can close that. If I wish to change this, I just go up into my layers, I select my dotted line, and now my green line, my circle has been changed into that dotted line. But you notice how this one here is still set as my current. If I wish to make this one my current line that I draw with, I need to go back into layer properties, and I need to set this one as my current. So now, if I decide to do more drawings, let's just draw a line. Now I'm drawing in a different layer. Of course, I can select the lines I've drawn and I can change them here, but it is just as easy to actually say which layer you'd like to draw in. There. Now I've set my white one to my current, so now when I go to draw, I'm drawing like that. Anyway, that's that one there. It's pretty simple. I need to do a single line text. The height, I'll go 3.5 mils. This direction, 2D. Drawing practice, drawing number 12. Me. Now if I want to get out of typing the text, I need to hit the escape key, open up my snipping tool from before. Actually, just going to, don't want my crosshairs to be over the top of my drawing. So go new, there we go. Copy that, go to my portfolio, next page, drawing 12, and Bob's your uncle. How easy was that one? I think tomorrow I'm going to show you guys some of the more challenging ones. Anyway guys, have fun with that one. So there's 2 new drawings today, and tomorrow let's have a look at some of the more complex drawings. Have a good night.